So following on from our last video, we now have a client coming in the next 10 minutes to come collect our Rolex Daytona John Mayer green dial. So we'll show you the watch now, and afterwards I'll show you what the client's part exchanging, what we're paying for it, and what we'll sell it for. Let's go. Well, that didn't go to plan, unfortunately.
Oh no,
So the client was due to bring in 3 watches, but unfortunately we couldn't make the part exchange numbers work. So we did part ways and the deal fell through. But it was a really nice couple, both been collecting watches for years. So we sat and had a nice coffee and spoke for about an hour actually. So yeah, it was nice to meet them both, but sadly we didn't sell John Mayer at that time. So whilst I've got you, I might as well talk about this new arrival we've just come. It's landed about an hour ago. It's a 42mm white gold Yachtmaster. It's actually got the barcode sticker on things. So that's a 2020 and it's going live on the website at 22,695. So Owen, get it photographed.
yes, master.
So I've sold the John Mayer, that's a good deal in the bag.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
But now the pressure is on Jamie, who has a client wanting 3 Daytonas, a bluesy and the green motif Datejust, all as like a package deal, which is, that's insane. So pressure's on, mate.
Patience is key. So the 5 watches, including this potential package deal, are a Rolex Daytona black dial. This is a 2021 ceramic Daytona, fully unworn in immaculate condition. The list price of this watch is $22,950. The next 2 watches are 2 pre-ceramic Daytonas. The first one is the Daytona white APH era dial. It's a 2014 watch, unworn, with its service stickers still intact. The list price on this watch is $21,795. The next one is a pre-ceramic Daytona black dial. This is 2006 mint condition watch, and that is going up for $17,850. The final 2 in the package deal are a Rolex Submariner Bluesy. That's a 2022 mint condition watch, which has literally just arrived in the last couple of days. And the final watch is the most popular Datejust in the market at the moment. It's a Rolex Datejust 41mm with a green motif dial on the fluted bezel and the Jubilee bracelet. The perfect Datejust to buy at the minute, and this is a 2022 watch, fully unworn with all its stickers intact as well, so the perfect example really. And this is listed for $12,795. So the total list package deal is £86,400. So we have given a bit of a discount, obviously, because he's buying a collection of watches really. So hopefully we'll get it over the line, and if we do, we'll be 2 happy chaps, and we'll certainly have a beer or 2.
Julian.
So hopefully Jamie gets that deal through, but I mean, we've been really busy this week. We've had a lot of watches go out. We've sold some minor dates, no dates. We had a James Cameron go out today. Sold the Panda last night. Sold the John Mayer today. We've sold the Daytona Ghost, which is the white gold and Oyster Flex, which are proving really popular at the moment. We may have a Paul Newman sale going through. So we've had a lot of stock go out, which is really positive for us. We're keeping busy, but key to us is getting stock in as well. So if anybody's looking to sell like a GMT Master 2, Submariner, we need some more Sky Dwellers actually, feel free to get in touch. We'll give you a free quote. We'll let you know exactly how much it's worth at the moment and what your return will be. So all them sales were actually straight sales, like bank transfer payments or card payments. But we did used to offer V12 finance, but when the bank rates went crazy, we kind of pulled the plug. We didn't want to have to raise our prices. So we are pleased to announce we'll be offering finance again from next week. So we're going on with a new provider. The rates are going to be a lot higher, so it's probably going to be about 15.9% APR, which I know it's a lot higher, but it is the industry standard at the moment. So let us know your thoughts. Are people still paying with finance when the rates are this crazy, or is it best to just cash is king at the moment? So yeah, let us know what you think. Cheers for taking the time to watch our video again, and subscribe. So follow that music's on.
I don't know the background.
Don't matter, does it? Don't matter. Just look down, natural. So following last...
I don't know what else to say.
Patience is key. So some of the watches that sold this week, start again.
Hopefully we'll get it over the line, and if we do, we'll certainly be 2 happy. Damn! Oh, I nearly had that.
Didn't want to... There. To go get the word out. Oh dear. Right, let's start again.